Yeah, I remember Blackberry. And I was like, how pathetic, And then you have all these other Tinder and I don't know what all. I mean, I've been through that journey, so I know that it's nice to kind of not be on too many platforms and stuff because you got to manage an image there. And I think what really helps is to kind of manage your own state of mind and manage your own outlook and have a good disposition and a positive disposition towards life and stuff. So I'm leaving you on this note that attitude is everything. And if something is not answering the three questions, is it adding any value to your mindset? Is it giving you any new information? Is it giving you positivity? Are you learning something from it? Is it a new experience or an exposure? If you've answered all the questions and you know that you're in the right, circle, but if you're going to be hearing the same repetitive story and you're going to be reading the same stuff and all that, trust me, nobody else is going to be affected by it. Only you will be, okay? So I'm Jashin Kapani. I'm on jkapani@gmail.com, jashinkapani.im@gmail.com. हिंदी में मेरे दोस्तों मेरे भाइयों बहनों my loved ones and stuff like that, all my friends and everybody, it's a humble request that avoid the shares too much on negative. Doesn't help anybody, because your children and your family is also going to get affected by it, and I'm sure you don't want your loved ones to come around and say, you know what, आज इतना गंदा दिन गया, आज इतने गंदे लोग मिले और इतना गंदा एक्सपीरियंस है और उसके लिए आपको फिर किसी से 10 लोगों से बात करनी पड़े. सो इट्स बेटर दैट यू शेयर समथिंग पॉजिटिव एंड यू हैव समथिंग रियली नाइस हैपनिंग विच इज़ एटलीस्ट अ वर्थवाइल memory or a movie playing in your head. And today's experience has given me this awakening again that we don't have to be only thinking about the corporate world. We don't have to think about technology. We don't have to think about only strategies and work and stuff. We have to switch off and we have to engage and be in the real world and stuff. And when you meet interesting people like those, you make new friends, you have new experiences happening, you have something to look forward to in the coming week and stuff like that. So getting off your chairs and your tables may be a good idea and going and circulating and spending more time and energy in the real world would be a good idea. So cheers to you on a lovely chai. Enjoy yourself. And the cup says you're braver, you're stronger and smarter than you think. And to most people who are doing extreme thought shares and stuff, I don't think it helps in any which ways. Moderation is a good idea. Balance is a good idea. And somebody asked me, balance ki definition, what is your definition of balance? And I said, balance don't mean that you kind of pick up your bags and your stuff and you pick up yourself and you go for a escape like Gautam Buddha did. You go into the hills and stuff and you're secluded there for a few days, all right, but you can't, leave the real world and run away and escape. You have to face the real world, and the real world is all about materialism. It is about consumerism. It is about earning. It is about competition. It is about kind of meeting new people. It is about new experiences. It's not always about scoring. It's not always about winning. There has to be improvement happening as well. And of course, balance means staying consistent with what you're doing and going steady with it. So that's what's balance to me. Not losing your control too easily, not kind of overreacting to situations, not getting very angry, and not becoming you don't engage in drama or in some shit which is being planted or played around and stuff like that. You just walk away from it, and you kind of get your own sanity back and stuff and center yourself is what they say. So balance means centering yourself no matter what. No highs, no lows. Yes, you can feel happy one day, you can feel sad one day, but the point is to have a consistency in how you're feeling and your emotions and stuff, and staying cheerful, staying optimistic, staying wanting to go out, interact with people, have new experience and stuff. Fall forms a part of balance and stuff. It's not just about work life balance or work family balance. It means balancing everything within this whole peripheral of what I've just shared in the real world, which has so many other challenges coming up and so many opportunities and stuff, and still remaining I won't say a seeker, but still looking to have new experiences and wanting to live your life to the fullest, because life is long. I keep reminding people this. दुनिया इतनी बड़ी है, or yes, there is uncertainty and stuff like that, but the point is you never know if you're going to be living till 100, 102, even 90s or 80s or whatever. You have to have a forward looking approach and stuff like that, and you can't let bad emotions, bad jobs, or bad messes mess around with you and stuff, because people who've done that will move away, people will go away, but you have to cope with it, you have to deal with it and stuff. So the best is to kind of seek help and engage in new stuff and new activities. And सबको नर्वसनेस और सबको लगता है कि यार मैं कुछ नहीं कर पाऊँ, नया कर पाऊंगी, नया कर पाऊंगा. Everybody gets nervous. Can I do something new? Can I do something or not? I mean, I don't entertain these kind of words and stuff. I just go with it, you know. So if somebody invites me for a concert, I don't say, "Arey yaar, I don't know how it's going to be. अच्छा नहीं होने वाला, खराब होने वाला है, whatever and stuff like that." I make it a point to actually plan myself and I end up there. And I've seen this when I go with my gut instinct, and when I know that something is really going to be good, it turns out to be good, you know. So I think a lot of it is to do with your mind training and the attitude also that you have, because when you have a good attitude and you have a positive attitude and you have a looking forward attitude, you start attracting situations and people to you. This is not some law of attraction nonsense which has been thrown to us by the so-called jackass Shah Rukh Khan of Bombay, because it's actually a Paulo Coelho quote. But the point is this: it's about having a good attitude towards life. And I'm not saying my attitude is the best in life and stuff. I'm just generally saying that mindset is everything, perspective is everything, you know, and getting a reality check is everything. And we are so pulled down by situations of codependency, of being in the same family situations, of talking to the same relatives, to the same family members, to the same work opinions and stuff like that, that we start questioning ourselves that, will I be able to handle uncertainty? Will I be able to manage anything if these people are not there and stuff? So I think it's a good idea to not look at your fears and stuff, and it's a good idea to look at your strengths and go forward and stuff and make the best use of it. So a veteran as Panditji was there at 85 playing a flute. He's traveled all across the world and stuff. So they don't entertain shit thoughts of death and accidents and negative and stuff like that, you know. So maybe we can learn from such geniuses in music and stuff like that, to not fall apart with just the corporate job, or just elections, or just our ranks and positions, or just with what we are earning, or just trying to prove to people one up or whatever, you know. I mean, it is a bigger, beautiful world out there. So try and expand your horizon and try and engage with new people and stuff. Try pushing yourself in new circles and stuff like that, and that's when you'll know that, yes, you know what, I think I've kind of broken another mindset or conditioning of mine and stuff. Push your own horizons and you're going to really love it, okay? So I'm Justin Kapani, jkapani.im@gmail.com, and justinKapani.im@gmail.com. Thank you so much for your messages. Thank you so much for your likes. Great to connect with some of my friends, and I see a lot of likes coming on my social media page and stuff like that, especially the stories that I have. So thanks so much for taking out the time, and thank you once again for praying for me. I think your prayers are working. Prayers always work, you know, and it's always a good idea, like I say, to send positivity to the universe and to the world and stuff, because karma is a good thing, and if you can do good karmas and you can move forward, that's a good idea. And if you can send positivity and energies to anybody and everybody, it works. There's so many stories I have around that. I'm not sharing that. And I see a lot of international artists and some well-known personalities also kind of sharing pretty actively, once I share and stuff. I don't know if it's a coincidence or not, but I see a lot of international personalities from Hollywood doing some shares and stuff like that. So if it's a coincidence, great. But off lately, I mean, I'm noticing a few people I've kind of spoken about in my videos sharing actively if it's their team and stuff. Let's keep the great work happening and stuff. After all, it's a beautiful world out there, and we make it more beautiful by adding more beauty and more joy to it, okay? So love and luck and take care. I'm Jessica Kapani from India. Yeah, bye-bye. Bye. Ciao.